Welcome back. In this video, I'll walk you through how to set up form submission notifications in Hubspot so you never miss a new lead. To get started, head over to your Marketing tab, and from there, locate the Leads option. Alternatively, you can use the search bar, type in Forms, and click on Forms from the results. This will act as our lead capture tool for marketing purposes. From here, go ahead and create a form. You can choose from several templates. In this case, we'll use the Contact Us template. Click on Use Template to open it. Once the form is open, navigate to Form Options, which you can also find under Settings. Inside, you'll see the General tab, and from there, the Submission Settings section. Here, you'll find options like Domain Inbox Connection and Send Email Notifications. You can choose to send notifications to the contact owner or assign it to a specific user by entering their email address. Whenever someone submits this form, that person will be notified. And that's it for today. If you haven't signed up for Hubspot yet, be sure to check out the affiliate links in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.